Okay, guys, today we're gonna review FL Studio 2025. If you're ready, let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and I'm a music producer. I take you through mixing of beats, mastering of songs, making of beats. I mean, anything you need to know about music production over on this channel. I give you free sample case, free mixing preset, so you can't afford to lose this particular bonuses. All right, and if anything bothers your mind, this is the best channel for you. If you're a beginner, I started music production from scratch, and now I got something that I can teach you, and we're gonna learn together. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, let me know where you are watching me from. I mean, just go to the comment section and say I'm watching you from this country. Super simple. Now we are in FL Studio 2025, the latest version. If you are finding it difficult to make drums, make melodies, chord progressions, think of any genre that you have problem, this particular FL Studio, I think they have put more effort into this particular version. So music production is so simple if you are using this latest version. They have not sponsored this video, all right? So what we're gonna do is to review the latest version of FL Studio. If you open it for the very first time, you're gonna see something like this. Welcome to the world of FL Studio. Over here you can see the news, what is going on. I mean, the latest news that you need to familiarize yourself with. And this is start a new project. You can launch loop starter, create chord progressions, and guys, FL Studio had done massive work. I mean, they need to be rewarded. I mean, this is one of the best DAW that any music producer who is a beginner can actually rely on. So you can see default empty. If you want to create rock music, jazz, funk, trap, anything, but we're not gonna start over here. What we're gonna do is to start an empty project. So we're gonna click over here. Super simple. And now if you install it for the very first time, you're not gonna see this wallpaper. I changed my wallpaper. What you need to do is to go to view, then go to background, set image. All right, so you can actually browse through any image that you want to use. It's super simple. All right, so let me change this so that you can actually see what I'm doing over here. Now that's super simple. Now that you know this, we're gonna go to options. We can also browse through the themes over here. This is the template. I mean, themes. You can browse through themes like this. It's similar like the old version. You can change the theme to suit what you are aiming for. You can even play with the hue, saturation, the brightness, the contrast. It's super simple. I think they added this particular themes over here. All right, super simple. So we're gonna stick to one. Just go to the channel and type Gus I. Keep doing this for me. All right, super simple. So what we're gonna do is to review it. I mean, if you have been using the previous FL Studio, you can see the browser icon, the channel rack, the piano roll, then the mixer icons were all at the top right corner over here. Now it is over here. Okay, I think that's the difference, and you can see this latest news over here. When you click here, it's gonna give you the latest news about FL Studio. Okay, if you want to know much, just click on that. All right, so I'm gonna close it now. If you pull this, you can actually see your all section, anything installed in your FL Studio, including your plugins, your sample packs. Then over here you can browse through your project, I mean your recent project, anything. Then plugins, any plugin that you have installed, gonna show over here. Then this is the preset. Okay, FL Studio is now amazing. Let me change the theme to the default so that you can actually see what we are doing. Super simple. Okay, so you can actually see sound over here. You can click over here and just go for that particular sound if you want that. And when you click on sound, this is like splice built in FL Studio. You can aim for discover, then sounds, any sound that you are aiming at. You can browse through the genres. I mean, think of hip hop, house, live music, then also instrument that you are aiming for. This is crazy. So you can filter out, and if you are looking for packs, you can actually see we have free versions and paid versions. So let's go for this particular free trap. Let's click on that and see. All right, so everything over here is free. I know you guys want free things. So all right, so now that you know this, let me show you how you can actually start a beat without you knowing music theory with the AI. I mean, what FL Studio had brought up. So we're gonna click on file. Let's go to new from template and start empty project. Hit no. Super. We're gonna delete this. All right. So if you click on the channel rack, you can see everything is empty. What you need to do is to click on this particular icon here, 10 loop starter mode, and this is gonna give you a starter. So if you are aiming for Afrobeat, piano, boom bap, drill, you can actually browse through this and they're gonna give you a startup. So let's go for drill, and I want you to watch here. You can see now it is giving us the kicks, the drums, the bass, and the tubes. Now let's listen to this. FL Studio gonna give you a starter. All right, so let's solo the drums. So there's the kick, and if you click over here, it's gonna replace this particular loop. Now let me solo the melodies. Let's change it by clicking on this. That's crazy. You can also change this one. All right, so now let's say we want to start Afrobeat. What we need to do is to click over here the genre and let's go for Afrobeat, and it's going to load a starter for us. I mean, something that we can start with. Now let's listen. It's crazy. So what I'm going to do is to click on the melodies, and this is gonna change the melodies for us. Give the video a like if it helps you. Go to the comment section and type thank you. That's super simple. I will appreciate that. Now let's change the genre. Let's say we want to create amapiano. Now let's listen. This is crazy. So what you need to do is to be clicking over here. Let's say I mute this, then I go for something like this. Let's see. Then let me see. Now the moment you place this, it's gonna help you detect where to place the next note. I mean, this is so crazy. Now let's see. Let's go to the piano roll options for the rest of the bass hit. Alright, so if you click on this, it's gonna change the tone. I mean the snare over here. Listen. This is so amazing. We're gonna do a special video about this one.